Hello and welcome to another video looking at drawing quadratic graphs. Here we're asked to draw the graph of y equals x squared minus 2x plus 1. So let's begin here. We've got our table of values here. We've got x is minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. So all that we're going to do is substitute these values into our equation x squared minus 2x plus 1. Let's start with 0. So 0 squared minus 2 times by 0 plus 1. That gives us a value of 1. 1, well, that's going to be 1 squared minus 2 times 1 plus 1. So that gives us a value of 0. So 1 squared is 1, minus 2 gives us minus 1, add on the 1 takes us back to 0. Then let's do 2. 2 squared minus 2 times by 2 plus 1. So that gives us 4 minus 4 plus 1. That gives us 1 as well. Let's take a look at negative 1. This is where we need to be a little bit more careful. So we've got minus 1 squared minus 2 times by minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 squared, so that's minus 1 multiplied by minus 1. That gives us an answer of 1 because we've multiplied two negatives and we've got a positive answer. So we've got 1 minus 2 times minus 1 will give us minus 2. So we've got minus 2 plus 1. Let's write that out just to kind of illustrate what we're doing. So we've got 1 minus 2 plus 1. 1 minus 2 is 3. Add on 1 gives us an answer of 4. And then lastly, negative 2. Let's go down a little bit to give ourselves a bit more space. Negative 2, so we've got minus 2 squared minus 2 multiplied by negative 2 plus 1. So again, let's work out what this will be. So minus 2 squared gives us an answer of 4. Then we've got minus 4 plus 1. So let's calculate this. 4 minus 4. So when we see these two negatives, we can think of that as being a positive. 4 plus 1 gives us an answer of 9. So we've got we've filled out our table. This gives us some coordinates. Let's plot these coordinates on the grid. So minus 2, 9 will go here. Minus 1, 4, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 2, 1. This gives us, again, another curved graph, so we're not going to connect this with a ruler, we're going to draw it freehand as a curve. So it should look something like that. Obviously, hopefully you can do a little bit better than that when you are working on paper. So this, what we've just done is we've drawn the graph of y equals x squared minus 2x plus 1. Now, just a quick point just before I go. I did all of this without a calculator. Generally, these questions come up on the calculator paper, and I would advise you to simply plug these calculations into your calculator to avoid making any mistakes with the negative values. Just a little tip there.